As you can see, I have the blower switch, the bilge switch, the engine start stop. I have lights down here for nav, anchor, interior, dash, and night mode. So it works really well. Just hit the start button and she is started. I will turn off the blower. And the nice thing about this tablet is you can also download apps to it, and it really has worked very well. Very happy with it. And you can just hit the button to stop. You need to start again. It's a very nice construction of the mounting of this device, and overall I'm extremely happy.